Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. How are y'all doing today? It's been a long time since I videoed. Y'all all know the reason. I'm trying to get adjusted to my new schedule. And yeah, I can only do it when I have time. So I hope everyone's doing good. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I want to get that out the way. I have an unboxing from Your Best Deals. It's a diamond painting company. It's PR and they have all sorts of things on their website. Everything in the everything that I have will be listed in the description portion of this video. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not used to videoing that much no more. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna unpackage Your Best Deals. Y'all go check them out. Everything's gonna be listed in the description portion of this video. I'll have the links there, all the information you need, and yeah, here we go. I kind of opened it because, you know, yeah, that's what I do, because it's noisy. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all the first thing. The first thing is a bookmark. So if I can take it off the package, I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, always struggle with taking it out of the package. With every company, not just this one. So, this is a bookmark and it's a special drill. And let's see. It's a Mandela Bookmark and it's $3.92 on their website as of the last time I checked. So it's leather and this is what it looks like. Let's see. This is what it looks like. It's a Mandela Bookmark. It is leather. I thought it was so cool. It's leather. You can see the drill field is clear. Y'all can hear that. The stickiness is great on it. It's so cute. It's a special drill. And the back is just leather. You can see it's leather. It's pretty cool. I love it. So, it comes with a tassel. Look the tassel, how pretty. I love it. I'm not gonna take it out because I don't want it to get tangled, but look how pretty that is. I love it. And this is the toolkit. It comes with a toolkit, a boat, a plate of wax, and a diamond painting pen with a one placer. Everything you need to diamond paint, to get started diamond painting. And it comes with special drills. So let me show y'all the drills. Oh, sorry for the noise. I'm going to show y'all these drills because it's not a lot of them. So I'm taking them out. Oh. So pretty. So cute, y'all. So, here you go. Okay, so they have these. These are green. Purple one. Yellow pearls. Y'all, they so cute. Look the flowers. Oh, I love those. Those are so cute. They have these. Look at that. These are so cute. It looks like they have a kind of aurora borealis coating kind of. Look how it turns colors. So cute. Or like an opal. How an opal turns colors. Look at those. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. These are cute too, but kind of like a chameleon color. Turns different colors. Those are cute. Love them. Y'all, look how cute. So cute. So cute. And they have clear and this kind of light aqua colored ones. So cute. I know, y'all, I need to do my nails. Christmas, time to go. Time to do it. So those are the drills for it, for this particular diamond painting bookmark diamond painting. So cute. So we're gonna put that off aside. That's one. Actually, I'm gonna put it back in the bag because I don't want it to get lost or separated or whatever. Sorry for the noise, y'all. All right, so that's one. And I am late in filming this. Sorry to your best deals. I had a lot going on. I apologize. But thank you for sending me these your best deals. Thank you to them. This other painting also comes with a diamond painting kit. Well, a boat, a plate of wax, a boat, and a diamond painting pin. And this is a round drill, and I'm gonna show y'all the drills in a minute. Kind of unwrinkle it. This one's so cute, y'all. So this one is called Winter Window. It's a 30 by 30 centimeter. It has 22 colors. And look, this is the thumbnail. Look how pretty this is. I love that scene. These are the colors. It has the DMC codes on the side of each one, each color. The drill field is very clear. I love this one. It is so wintry looking and just reminds me of a warm, cozy inside with a snowy outside. Exactly what it is. It has books. I love it. It has the ottoman or whatever you want to call this right here. A little nook, a reading nook. But the drill field is clear, and y'all, look how cute. I love this. They have the legend on the left top and bottom right. Look how cute. And this one is $4.07 the last time I looked on their website. Maybe cheaper now, I'm not sure. But I will link it in the description portion of this video. Y'all, that's so cute. We're going to check the stickiness on this. I'm pretty sure it's good. Very good. Stickiness is very good. I love this. It's just so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. And it's a round drill. And these are the drills. They come in little zip baggies. So they come individually in the zip baggies, and these are the colors. Have some pretty colors. Spread them out a little bit so y'all could see. They have blues, the mint greens, the darker blues, whites, grays, maroon, burgundies, peach color ones. So yeah, so pretty color palette. The drills seem to look good. I never really have problems with any of these companies' drills. So yeah, so cute. That's number 2. Do the third one. And this one is also a 30 by 30 centimeter. And it comes with a boat, a plate of wax, and a diamond painting pin. It is a round drill. It is a 30 by 30 centimeter. It has 20 colors. And look how cute this is. Look all the houses and the Christmas trees. Look the night and the snowflakes. And I love it. This is the thumbnail. Hopefully y'all can see that. Look how cute it is. And these are the DMC codes by each color. Has 20 colors. Legend on the left top and legend on the bottom right. The drill field is clear. Look how cute. Y'all, look how cute this is. So cute. I love it. That is stinking cute. I haven't been diamond painting much, you know, because of everything that's going on, but I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. I had big plans. You know, oh well, it is what it is. These are the drills. I'm not gonna take them out because they're in these, they're not in zip baggies. They're in these paper things and it makes a ton of noise. But these are some of the colors. They have a lot of black, 310s. Yeah. Is it 310s? No, not 310. I don't know actually what they are. Look like 310s. I don't know if they do that. Well, it's probably not. I don't know. Y'all. Maybe they just look black. Because I don't see 310s on here. Am I missing something? Anywho, these are the colors. And they have some reds and blues. Greens, some yellows. Well, kind of goldish colors. So, that's that one. Let me show y'all again. It's so cute. I'm going to check the stick on it. I'm pretty sure the stick is good. Stickiness is very good. I don't, like I said, I don't normally have problems with stickiness on these. Never. They're really good. Seem to do good. So let's do the last one. This one's a little bit bigger painting. I don't normally get any bigger paintings, but I decided I was going to try it out. You know, not from budget-friendly companies. So, Play-Doh wax, boat, and pin. Round drills, and they come in baggies, but I'm going to show y'all. So, this is the reason I got this one, this size. I thought it was so cute. Oh, hold on, let me kind of unwrinkle it. It's really wrinkled. Sorry, y'all. Hold on one second. It's really wrinkled at the end, but it's gonna straight flatten out once you put it on something to flatten it out. It will do just fine. So, look, y'all, how cute. I thought this was so cute. And this is a 40 by 50. Okay, I never ordered this size. It's a 40 by 50. It has 22 colors in it, so not as many colors as I thought, which is good. But this is the thumbnail. It has the DMC codes, and it does have 22 colors, like I said. And look, the drill field in this thing is very clear. Drill field is nice. A lot of whites, of course. But it's a bear, y'all. Look, a polar bear. Or, well, that's what I call him. I don't know. Whatever he is a bear. And he got a Santa hat. And he's in front of a tree with all the Christmas balls and candy canes. Or whatever that is. Yeah, candy canes. I love this. Look how cute. And he's literally, he's He's just so cute. That's all I can say. He's a Christmas bear. So stinking cute. I love it. The drill field is clear. I mean, it's so awesome. Look, the Christmas balls. It's so cute, y'all. I love it. I'm gonna stand up and hold it so y'all can see it. It's so cute. So cute. I'm gonna have to put that on something to make it flatter, but I love it. I thought it was adorable. These are it is a round drill, and these are the colors. It comes in zip baggies, so you don't have to kit it up if you don't want to. It's pretty much all kitted up for you. Of course, we're gonna have a lot of white and gray. You can see. So cute. The color palette is so cute. And this one, let's see. I didn't see this one when I went back to check the price, so I'm not sure what the price is, but I will be able to link it down below. I don't know if they have any more of that, because when I went and I clicked on it, they didn't show they had any more. So maybe they do now. This was when I wanted to film it, and then you know, so I couldn't. This was at the time I wanted to film it, and again didn't get to film it, as you all know why. And so that, yeah, just click on the link, and if they have it, it'll come up. But it's so cute. I love it. I never had a polar bear one. So I'm gonna show them to the rest of y'all, to y'all again. This is the houses, and these is called Christmas Snowy Night, and it's $4.28 on their website at the time that I looked. But all of these will be in the description portion of the video. And then we have this. Love this one. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And then the bookmark, and y'all all seen that. So cute. Special drill bookmark. I love it. So leave me any comments you want to leave me, unless they're bad, in the comment section below. Everything in this video will be in the description portion of this video with a link. So y'all go check them out. They're a budget-friendly company. I think you'll like them. I like all the budget-friendly companies, you know. They do have good canvases that are real cute. So y'all go check them out. Y'all have a nice day, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.